Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. I have a really important message for you today. Always leave your office on time. Why? Because work is a never-ending process. It can never be completed. Interests of a client are important. So is your family. If you, for example, fall in your life, neither your boss nor client will offer a helping hand. Your family and friends will. Remember this. Life is not only about work, office, and clients. There is more to life. Enjoy life. You need time to socialize, entertain, relax, and exercise. Don't don't let life be meaningless. A person who stays late at office is not a hard-working person. Instead, he or she is a fool who does not know how to manage work within the stipulated time. He or she is inefficient and incompetent in his work. You did not study hard and struggle in life to become a machine. Remember this, please. If your boss forces you to work late, for example, he or she may be ineffective and have a meaningless life too. So forward this to him or her. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next episode and have a lovely day.